I am Itai, industrial designer at Wearable Devices. We are going to talk today about the Mudra Link, the latest product we developed. I have here an unboxed box. There is a nice text, says "Hello human." Here is the main box, the Mudra Link. Looks very nice, sharp, clean. You can see some kind of texture and UV coating that gives the electrodes a little bit of highlights. Very nice touch. We made many boxes as a prototype. We put it in a display, and our company management and co-workers gathered around together and chose the perfect box. And they chose the more challenging box to manufacture. So let's open the box. Smoothly. You're a true pioneer. Thank you for being one of the first to experience the wonders of neural technology, and some information about FCC requirements. The second page, the onboarding, half of the onboarding, because most of it is on the app. Next. This is the heart of the box. Everything very tidy and smooth, very nice. Hi, let's link. Inside is the shell case. The inner box, we put small UV lines. You can see the light break on it. Inside of the Hi Let's Link box there is a charger, so don't throw away this box. Find the charger. So this is our shell case. His main objective is to hold the band, so it won't squish in your bag. And you can see there is a pocket here for the charger, like this. So this is the Mudra Link. 3.5 years I worked on this project, 9 trips to China. You don't know how much difficult it is to put this electronic inside such a small band, and also to protect it and prevent it from breaking and to stay functional. This is almost impossible. That's why most of the companies don't do it. Only us, because we are crazy. We brought consultants here to the company to ask him how to improve it. So he said, "You are crazy," and he left. This is this is also a true story, but we managed to beat it. Lately, we added a nice patch that says "Power button facing you." This is the power button. So before you are using it, you need to remove it. So we have some complaints that the users cannot find the button, but this is by our design, because we wanted it to be referenced for the clothing, for the fashion world, and we didn't want it to people have a power on-off button in their face, but because this is an accessory. We wanted to be a little bit hidden, so we had to add some kind of assistant for the first time, because after the first time, you know where the button is. The next interesting thing is something every company always love to hide, is the regulation prints. All the mandatory explanation of all the electronic stuff I don't understand. If I put it on my hand and tie it, I need to center it. So we have here an add-on, a center mark. So it needs to be aligned with almost with my middle finger, in the gap between my fingers. Next the button, I can see the LED facing me. On my left hand it will be a little bit hidden, but still can be seen from the side. Very nice. If it's closed, it's almost flushed with the product, so you cannot see it. We have the button on the opposite side. Here I will remove the strap so you can see from the top. We have the charging port. If you try to put it from the other side, the magnet will push it away, so there's only one way to snap it. So it was very challenging to create this piece. 9 trips to China, I learned a lot, I met many people. Every detail and every challenge I think gave me many tools for life. I'm not sure in other companies I will have the same chance and opportunity to put myself, to give myself to a product in many aspects, from the design, talking with the supplier and the manufacturers, going to the factory themselves and operating and supervising all the assembly process, because every process like this is a failure point if you're not on it. And I hope any of you who buying this product will enjoy it, and let me and us know what you think. Thank you.